Ryngkat Shitilop Kari India Iaka Jing Nam Nyo Pendus Nam Kajingyo Republic Hakaba Yakani Kasikar Pangla Rakhe Southwest Khasi Hill District Hakaba Umas Nyao Bhalang Dar Deputy Chief Minister But Minister Jongka Commerce and Industries Community and Rural Development Soil and Water Conservation Transport But Kiwede ki kam hapo Jongka Sarkar Jala Meghalaya Ulapan Hair Yakalama Kari But Shim Yakarashtriya Salute Jongka Kanhun Parade Kabakan Top Nadu ki Pulet ki NCC Hadu ki Kana School Palapalong Hapalawing School Jongka Nativity High Secondary School Maukarwan La Ruban Kado ba kumbah nyutali ki school kile shimenta haka march past kan top ki police but ki NCC candidates but kumju ru ki pratali ki tenat trekam jong ka sarkar kile shimenta haka jing ko pani ya ki tablo ya kani ka jing Rakhe la Rakhe ru Haranikor Civil Subdivision haka ba usubir marak MLA jongka rang sakona Assembly Constituency Southwest Garo Hills District lapan her yaka lama but shim yaka salute jongka parade contingents ki bakan thop nado ki police but santali ki school ki badan hakane ka dong kathan haka jingalang kabala long hamadan noli kata Ranikor Civil Subdivision hakane ka sila plong ru yaki cultural program ki jingile kai yaki khenna but ki wade Ryngkat ka jingsa mi ki khusnam she ki dong job
by the national anthem.
KMs of double-lane climate resilience road corridor shall be developed, and this will contribute to realizing our mission 10. The government is committed to make urban spaces more sustainable and dynamic with New Shillong City leading the way. And the foundation stone for the new secretariat in Maurindang was laid on Meghalaya Day this year. New growth-oriented projects like Skill Hub, Unity Malls, New Shillong water supply schemes, and sport infrastructure have been initiated. And the road connectivity between the administrative city and Maurindang and the knowledge city and Makunu has built via Umir village to reach the knowledge city. 3 new roads are being constructed to improve the connectivity between Shillongs and New Shillongs. Plannings for development of Mokanu Knowledge City is underway, and it is expected that this city will become a tourism, skilling, and educational hub in the state of Meghalaya. The Shillong Integrated Command and Control Center ICC in short, which will facilitate the coordination of urban service delivery and traffic management has been inaugurated.